This review is for the Nespresso Virtuo Next versus Nespresso Essenza Mini. So I got this Virtuo Next for Christmas, and it's the one that holds the pods right here. It opens. It's like big and bulky. Here it is compared to like a Starbucks mug. And here's the little Essenza Mini. I got this and I'm going to return the Virtuo Next. Mostly because the pods, the replacement pods that you buy are double the price of the little capsule like pod things you use for this one. Also, I don't want this big bulky thing on my counter. And there's only one button to use for the brewing, so it's just very bizarre. I'd rather have something that's nice and easy, like this little Nespresso, what is it called, Essenza Mini. It's great. It takes up a small amount of space on my counter. Here it is compared to my Ninja K-Cup brewer, and this also brews a whole pot of coffee. I drink a lot of coffee. So here is how we use this thing. I'll show you real quick. So I have these little capsules. It comes with a pack of, 10 capsules? You pop it in here, close this. It's kind of awkward with one hand since I'm recording. And then you have your option. So you push one of these two buttons, it turns the thing on. You have a bigger cup or just one little like shot of espresso. I'm going to go for the shot. You push that little button and it will brew. Hopefully. Let me see if I'll push it again, if that works. Nope. Hold up. Here we go. Oh, it had to heat up. That's why. I just got it, so. Look how beautiful that is. And a little shot of espresso. That's what I'm talking about. So that's my review. I say if you're considering getting either the Mini or this Virtuo Next machine, I guess it depends on what you need. I just need espresso because I drink coffee by the pot. So I wanted this nice little espresso option to add to my life. This one, you can buy all different types of pods. They fit in here, and you can have everything from a single shot of espresso to a 7.5 ounce cup of coffee. It's just not what I needed because I use this one with the K-cups. So that's my review. I hope it's helpful.
Is there something expired in there? What is that? Okay, well, let's open this up and see what we get. So it looks okay, but they sent me some expired pods. Expired in May of last year. Actually, it looks open. Let's see if it's been opened. Are they even all there? Okay. Look, it looks a little tattered and wrinkled. And this is going back. Oh, by the way, the cord is like definitely. Is that paint? I don't know what is that on the cord. So yeah, going back. That's disgusting.
Set of Nespresso original capsules. Make sure you purchase the original capsules when it comes time to replenish your supply. Just drop in your capsule and press one of the cup size buttons on the top. You'll see it start to flash, and the fast heat up system reaches ideal temperature in about 25 seconds. Once the power buttons stop flashing, you can choose one of the programmable cup sizes, either espresso or lungo. I wish you could smell this aroma. I love that smell of coffee brewing. The result is a barista-style flavor and aroma. I bought some nesting espresso cups for my tiny kitchen, which are perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up. I use the Essenza at least once a day. I highly recommend it.
Here's the DeLonghi Essenza Mini. Just wanted to show the warm-up time, the basic temperature. So there's the warm-up time. It's about 10 seconds, 15 seconds. The water reservoir is back behind the unit. Capsules just go inside here. I already pressed one. So ready to go. Hit the espresso button. It's pretty quiet. So what I've noticed is about 150 almost every single time. So pretty accurate, and then the glass cools it off a little bit.
this is what's on the inside. But definitely, this is being either used or open or, oh my God, disgusting. Okay. Guess where that's going?
Tô olhando os cafés. Manda a máquina agora, tira a foto da máquina.